Most dog gear out there is all the same. It's difficult to put on, frustrating to use, wears down quickly, and isn't very thoughtfully designed. But we think it's about time that changed. Introducing TOMO, the future of dog gear. Created to make dog parenting easier, our custom Quick Connect system is user-friendly and beautifully designed. Simply connect our one-of-a-kind latch to swiftly secure your pup across all of our products. This innovative latch is found on our collar, on our harness, and our leash, all working together, creating an effortless ecosystem. Just press the two buttons to unlock the latch and make a connection. Once the buttons are released, the latch is securely locked. The only way to remove the latch is to press the buttons and pull apart. Without pressing the buttons, there's no way for our latch to come undone. And with our extensive strength testing, you know you're safe if your dog sees a squirrel. But that's not all that makes TOMO more functional. We decided to use the highest quality materials that are comfortable, strong, and can be easily cleaned to look and smell brand new. Mix and match dispensers are a thing of the past. Our dispenser is designed just for our leash, mounted flush and adjustable to the perfect position. Our custom name tag doesn't jingle or hang from your pup's neck, making sure they always look and feel sleek. Our handle also features our Easy Connect latch for whenever you need to quickly tether your dog. And all of these features are wrapped up in a minimal design that looks great with any modern style, no matter if it's in use or waiting for your next adventure. So who are we? We are a team of designers and engineers with a goal to bring you better functioning and better looking dog products. We have spent the last 4 years designing a collar, harness, and leash that are as beautiful as they are easy to use, letting you spend less time worrying about your gear and more time enjoying your dog. But we need your help to bring them to life. Only with your support can we kickstart our journey to create the best dog products possible. Only with your support can we bring you and your dog TOMO.